Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K90 Pro Max, and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. Alright, so first of all, let's open the settings. I'd like to start with DNS. So let's go to more connectivity options, and here tap on private DNS. Right now we've got the automatic one, so let's set private DNS provider hostname. Tap on custom name and enter this provider hostname, so dns.adguard.com, and then tap on save. Thanks to it, you will limit the amount of advertisements which you get. Another thing which we can do in the settings is to scroll all the way down to find this Google section. So let's tap. Then let's tap on all services and scroll to find ads. So here we will see two additional options which are called Reset Advertising ID and Delete Advertising ID. Basically, removing it, the advertising ID, will not limit the amount of advertisements which you will receive. However, it will remove the personalization. So, you know, the situation where, for example, yesterday or 2 days before you were looking for some item and then you forgot about it, and after one day your device will show you the advertisements with this specific item which are trying to lure you into buying it. So this is what the advertising ID does. It personalizes the content of the advertisements. So what I highly recommend to do here is to simply tap on Reset Advertising ID and confirm it, and after that tap on Delete Advertising ID and confirm it also. Alright, another thing which I highly recommend to do is to manage the notifications from the apps which are showing you the advertisements. So let's pretend I'm getting a lot of advertisements from Play Store. So just tap on it and hold it, and then tap on the info icon. And then let's go to notifications here and scroll down to find the categories of those notifications and try to look for anything which looks similar to something connected with the advertisement. So for example, in my case, payments, deals and recommendations. It kind of sounds like the advertisements. Usually all of those categories will be turned on, so all you have to do here is to tap on the switcher to make the notifications invisible. However, even better idea, if you do not really need all of the notifications from this specific app, you're not really interested because it is, I don't know, a game or whatever, then you can simply turn off all of the notifications just by tapping on this switcher at the very top. But obviously only in case that you don't really need those notifications. And as a last resort, the thing which is quite obvious, and probably most of you are using that already, but I just wanted to draw attention to the ad blocks, because let's go to the Play Store, let's tap on search, because let's enter ad block. Nowadays we do not have only the ad blocks which are connected with the browsers, specifically for Chrome, for, I don't know, Samsung Internet, you know what I mean. But we've got also different content blockers. For example, let me scroll here. Here we've got something called ad blocker for Android. So not only for the browser, but for the whole system, which is quite nice. I really think that it is a nice idea. Here we can also mute annoying ads, etc. So I just wanted to recommend trying to find the ad blocker which will be a little bit more advanced than those which are regular, and that will help with blocking the content. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.